Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably excited about sharing your YouTube TV subscription with family members, right? In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up YouTube TV family sharing for 2025. It's super straightforward and will let up to 6 people in your household enjoy the same plan without extra costs. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have a YouTube TV account and that everyone you want to share with has their own Google account. This is key because family sharing is tied to Google's family management tools. If you don't have one set up, head over to your Google account settings and create a family group. It's free and easy. Now, open the YouTube TV app or website and sign in. Go to your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Under the Membership tab, look for Family Sharing or Manage Household. Click on that, and you'll see an option to add members. You'll need to enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. They must be in your Google Family group. Once you've added them, they'll receive an invitation via email. They just need to accept it from their device. After acceptance, they can start streaming on their own devices. Remember, in 2025, YouTube has updated this feature to include better parental controls, so take a moment to set age restrictions if you have kids in the mix. One quick tip. If you're running into issues, like invitations not sending, double-check that everyone's accounts are verified and that you're all in the same region. YouTube TV is region-specific, so that could be a common snag. And there you have it. You're all set to share the love with your family. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.